पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री व नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के संरक्षक डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने हुर्रियत के समर्थन में दिए अपने बयान के लिए माफ़ी मांगने से इनकार कर दिया है। डॉक्टर अब्दुल्ला ने कहा कि कश्मीर का जनमानस पूरी तरह से एकजुट है क्योंकि वो राज्य की सभी समस्याओं का आखिरी समाधान चाहता है। नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस नेता ने कहा कि वो क्यों माफ़ी मांगे। क्या आप नहीं चाहते समस्या का समाधान हो, या फिर आप चाहते हैं कि सीमा पर हर समय गोलाबारी होती रहे? क्या आप चाहते हैं कि निर्दोष लोग मरते रहें? उन्होंने कहा कि इस सब से दोनों तरफ की कश्मीरी जनता ही मारी जा रही है और यही वजह है कि हम एकजुट हैं, क्योंकि हम राज्य की समस्याओं का अंतिम समाधान चाहते हैं। डॉक्टर अब्दुल्ला ने कहा कि केंद्र को जम्मू कश्मीर व लद्दाख के सभी पक्षों से बातचीत करनी चाहिए।
Talking to everybody and agenda of working has shown the lines, and they have put that Hurriyat has to also be talked to. So where are the anti-nationals? If BJP and PDP are saying that they have to be talked to, they can't talk to anti-national people. They must be nationalists, that's why they're talking to them.
But you had been throughout saying that they don't represent the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Because they have never fought the election. That doesn't make anything. Point is, all stakeholders, whether in Jammu and Kashmir, that is with part of India, or Jammu and Kashmir, that is part of Pakistan, have to be talked to.
But when you
Here, India has to talk to all political parties, whether in Jammu, Kashmir, or Ladakh. There, they have to talk to people in Muzaffarabad, that is POK, as well as Baltistan, the Skardu, Gilgit, Hunza, and Nagar.
But when you say they have to unite, and we are with you because they are the
We are united because we want final settlement of this state.
But they are there.
Don't make a mistake about it.
But
the settlement has not taken place.
But when they talk about the settlement, that is they want to disintegrate India. That is their.
What is the disintegration? We want talk with the central government.
But
we at the same time are saying we want to talk to Pakistan. What is wrong with this?
But separatists don't want talks with India. That is the question.
It is not the question of constitution. You have to talk. Unconditional talks have to be held. How are you talking to Pakistan? Are you telling them Indian constitution? Are you telling them Pakistani constitution? When Shimla agreement was signed, or Tashkent agreement was signed, or Lahore agreement was signed, was there on constitution of India or Pakistan?
But sir, there is
It is an unconditional talk that was fixed, which was done by Indira Gandhi ji and Bhutto in Shimla, in which Kashmir was put that we shall decide the issue of Jammu and Kashmir, of Maharaja, sitting together, not a third party, India and Pakistan. What is the problem?
Yeah. But case has been, one last question, the case has been filed against you. Certain people...
There are many mad people in this India who will fight cases. Farooq Abdullah is not worried about that.
You will not be apologizing?
I am clear. Also, I would like to say, I heard Mahbooba Mufti's statement in Srinagar. I would like to answer that here. It was her father, the late Mufti Muhammad Saeed, who always played the game of buying and selling MLAs. Even in 2002, when we had 28 MLAs and he had 16, he tried to buy our MLAs. Let Mrs. Mahbooba Mufti prove that Farooq Abdullah or National Conference has ever bought or sold an MLA. We don't believe in Aya Ram, Gaya Ram.
You will not apologize for this comment where you have been supporting these Hurriyat people?
Why? What is wrong about it? What is wrong? Don't you want settlement? Or do you want bombing on the border all the time? Do you want innocent people to die? Are you not seeing how from Kutua right down to Punch and right to Udi and right to Gurez, people are dying on this side and the people are dying on the other side? Are they not Kashmiris? Are they not part of Jammu and Kashmir that you say? Who is dying? Is a man in Delhi dying? Is a man in Bombay dying? Is a man in Karachi dying? Is a man in Lahore dying? It is a citizen of Jammu and Kashmir, whether here or there, that is dying.
But we will not be making them more relevant.
What?
We'll be making them more relevant by just extending their support
Sir,
because a person of your
why are you
stature.
talking to Farooq? Talk to the government that has said that we have to talk to them.
In the
Why
agenda
are you
of
blaming me?
In the agenda of alliance.
In the agenda of alliance, it is between BJP and them. Why are you not telling them?
Farooq sir.
Why are you cutting Farooq Abdullah from here?
On triple talaq-
कहना है कि आपने जो बयान दिया है सेपरेटिस्ट को लेकर उससे
मैं
साफ
महबूबा
होता है-
मुफ्ती से न डरता हूँ,
उससे
मैं
साफ
कभी
होता है
डरा
कि
हूँ।
जो टर्मोइल रहा
क्या बात है?
उसमें नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का हाथ है।
क्या कहा?
ये टर्मोइल जो रहा उसमें
फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने कभी पत्थर नहीं मारा, न नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के इंसान ने कभी बंदूक उठाई, बम मारा या पत्थर मारा। मैं इसको चैलेंज करता हूं, मुझे ये बताए कौन नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का आदमी था जिसे पत्थर मारा हो? नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ने कभी पत्थर नहीं मारे, कभी जेल गए, गोलियों से खेला। क्या भूल गई वो? सबसे ज्यादा नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के वर्कर और मिनिस्टर्स और लीडर्स मारे गए।
सर हुर्रियत लीडर्स ने
या भूल जाते हैं? मुसलमान को आप सिर्फ समझते हैं कि वो इंटरनेशनल है,
सर
वो पाकिस्तानी है। दरिया तो सब आपने पाकिस्तान को दिए, फारूक अब्दुल्ला तो नहीं दिए। किस बात की बात कर? उनसे पूछो जिन्हें जम्मू कश्मीर से जो हमारी ऑटोनॉमी थी इरोड की। फारूक अब्दुल्ला उसके जिम्मेवार है या दिल्ली जिम्मेवार है?
All of a sudden, Hurriyat is trying to sell Kashmir as a destination. They want tourists to come back. You don't see that this is sheer hypocrisy. They are the one who are coming out with a calendar.
I don't know about them. Any normal Jammu and Kashmir citizen would want tourists to come and enjoy the beauty that God has given us. What is wrong about it? Our livelihood depends on tourism. So it's good if they are saying, please come. Alhamdulillah.